Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a formula field in Salesforce Lightning Experience. Formula fields are incredibly useful because they allow you to automatically calculate values or combine data from other fields, saving you time and ensuring consistency across your records. Let's get started. First, you'll need to access your Salesforce setup area. Look for the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen and click on it. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Setup. This is your central hub for all administrative configurations in Salesforce. Once you're in the setup area, you'll see a quick find box on the left side. Type Object Manager into this search box and click on it when it appears. The Object Manager is where you can customize all your Salesforce objects and their properties. Now you need to choose which object you want to add the formula field to. In the Object Manager, search for your specific object. For example, if you're working with contacts, type contact into the search bar and click on its name to open it. With your object selected, look at the left sidebar and click on Fields and Relationships. This section displays all the existing fields for your chosen object and allows you to create new ones. To begin creating your formula field, click the New button at the top of the page. You'll now see a list of field types. Select Formula from the options and click Next. This tells Salesforce you want to create a calculated field rather than a standard data entry field. On the next screen, you'll need to define your formula field's basic properties. Enter a field label such as full name if you're combining first and last names. Then choose the formula return type from the drop-down menu, which determines what kind of data your formula will produce. For text combinations, select Text. Once you've filled these in, click Next. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see the formula editor where you can build your calculation. Use the Insert Field button to add references to other fields. Insert operator for mathematical or logical symbols, or write functions directly. For example, to create a full name field, you might enter first name ampersand space in quotes ampersand space. Last name, always click check syntax to verify your formula is correct before proceeding. If your formula involves numbers, you might want to select treat blank fields as zeros to avoid errors. You can also add a description to help others understand what your formula does. When you're satisfied, click Next. The next screen handles field level security, which controls which user profiles can see and edit this field. Set the appropriate permissions for each profile and click Next. Finally, choose which page layout should display your new formula field. Select the relevant layouts and click Save. Your formula field is now created and will automatically calculate values based on the formula you defined. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.